TourSoft comes with 3 pre-built themes. Choose the theme you think best suits your business. Your free 30-day trial will be created with this theme. Enter your personal information. For this video, we used a test name, but you must use your real name and email address. Create a strong password using a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and characters. Next, enter your temporary site name. Site name must be lowercase, letters or numbers only, with no spaces, dots, or other characters. Later, you can replace this temporary site name with your own domain name. Next, enter your credit card information. A credit card is required to sign up, but will not be charged during the trial. Finally, click Create Your Site, and your new website will be automatically created. After checkout, just click the blue link to log into your site. You will also receive an email with this link. To get started adding your own content, just click on Edit with Elementor. You can edit the site text, layout, and tours, and add your own images to make the site your own.